So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to Duda. So the first thing you want to do is to open up Google Analytics. So you'll need a Google Analytics account. So from here you will see get started today, sign in. So sign in to that account and find your Google ID. After you've done that, you can go back to here. You can see layers, theme, widgets, media, content, sell online, blog, store, and you can see SEO and settings. Open that. Through here, you can see my site icons, site domains, site SSL, SEO, Google Tools, URL redirect, head HTML, 404 page. So many options are there, but go to Google Tools. So after that, you can see Google Analytics straight away. So through here, you can see it says to enable Google Analytics or Google Ads on your site, enter your Google tracking ID below. This will automatically send page views and conversion events to Google for you. So through here, usually that Google ID or Google code, whatever you want to call it, starts with this. So G hyphen, then couple of numbers or letters. So first you will need to identify that on your Google Analytics page. After that, you will just need to go back to your Duda website and find it through your settings on Google Tools and just input here and save it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.